What's going on guys, Mark here, and today we're doing a video on my Macintosh Classic. This computer is definitely starting to show its age at 29 years old. It was manufactured in August of 1990. Both the internal and external hard drives seem to be having issues. It's hit and miss whenever I boot this computer up. Sometimes I have to load it from a floppy drive. Eventually I'll switch the internal and the external hard drives over to compact flash cards or something similar due to the reliability issues, but I do not use the computer enough, so I'm not really too concerned about it. Here is a basic brief history on the Macintosh Classic. The Macintosh Classic release date was October 15th, 1990, and it was discontinued on September 14th, 1992. The Macintosh Classic has a Motorola 68000 8MHz processor. This Mac came with 1 MB of RAM from the factory and was expandable up to 4 MB. It has a 9-inch monochrome display at 512 by 342 resolution. It also came with a 40 MB hard drive. The Macintosh Classic is a successor to the Macintosh Plus and Macintosh SE. It was then replaced by the Macintosh Classic 2. This was the first Macintosh to sell for less than $1,000. The original base price of this Macintosh was $999 US. Adjusted for inflation is $1,957.43. The higher end Macintosh Classic for the time period was $1,499 US. Adjusted for inflation is $2,937.12. Unfortunately, the Macintosh Classic stayed in production for about almost 2 years. The hardware in this machine was pretty much out of date once it was released. The CPU was kind of old and nobody really wanted the black and white display, so it was kind of a major turn away for most people. Since I bought my Macintosh Classic about 7 years ago, I haven't really done anything with it. I've just pretty much let it sit on display, and I'd turn it on every now and then and just kind of mess around with it. I don't really have any games for it or anything, and I don't think there's much of a library of games for it anyways to begin with. But it's mostly just for looks, and I just love the way the whole Macintosh look and feel is from that time period. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell either.